In this video, we're going to learn how to simplify the fraction 14/32. We start with an example fraction, 14/32. This means we take the number 14, divide it by the number 32, and try to make this fraction smaller without changing its value. Our goal is to express this fraction in its simplest form. The first step in simplifying a fraction is to find the greatest common factor, or GCF, of the numerator and the denominator. The GCF is the largest positive integer that divides both numbers without leaving a remainder. To find the GCF, we first find the prime factorization of both numbers. 14 is 2 times 7, and 32 is 2 times itself 5 times. The GCF is the product of the smallest power of each common factor. In this case, the only common factor is 2, and the smallest power of 2 common to both is 2 itself. Therefore, the greatest common factor of 14 and 32 is 2. To simplify the fraction, we divide both the numerator and the denominator by the GCF, so we divide 14 and 32 by 2. So, the simplified form of the fraction 14/32 is 7/16. In summary, to simplify a fraction, find the greatest common factor of the numerator and the denominator, and divide both by that factor.